Hello, this is instructional tutorial number 4, and in this particular tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to use Storybird. Storybird is a web-based program that allows students to write and publish their own stories, and I think this will be a great tool to enhance project-based learning and really give the students an outlet for creativity. So why use Storybird in a project? Students can choose from images that are many different images that have already been created for them to kind of set the stage, if you will, for their the theme of their story or the telling of their story. But so they don't have to do any kind of writing or not writing, but they don't have to do any kind of drawing, is what I meant, which sometimes can deter students that don't think they're artistic or don't have any desire to draw. These themes are already given for them. These images are given for them. So all they have to do is choose the images and start writing their story. They also have options to collaborate with partners, which makes this very interactive, and they also can publish and share the stories as well. So the web-based program Storybird plays very nicely with other programs, in particular Google. The goal for using Storybird is to enhance project-based learning, to give the students a creative outlet, um, to work on team building. It does have a collaboration element, so the students can work on their Storybird story at the same time. An intended audience would be students, and also those in particular students that are aspiring writers or just looking for a creative way to express themselves or and try to create a different kind of project outside of the normal PowerPoint presentation or a Prezi. The reasons why I chose the particular ISTE standards that I did is because first of all, Storybird is challenging in terms of being creative. Students have to make a story from scratch, but it does provide them with an excellent platform to show their creativity and to make a creative connection to content. The other element is the collaborative element of Storybird. I believe that this really encourages teamwork, team building, and also appropriate interactions between students. Here's some basic steps on how to create a Storybird um, project. First of all, if you go to storybird.com, just like all these other great web-based programs, it's free to sign up. After you sign up, it'll take you to a simple home screen or your personal account screen, and you will choose the option to write. The next thing it will take you to is a screen with all the different kinds of images and artwork that you can choose for your story. Once you have chosen your particular kind of art genre or art type, you can then start writing your story, and you do page by page. You'll pick a title, and then you will pick an image that goes on page 1. You'll write your story or part of the story on page 1, and then you'll continue this process throughout the book until it's done. Then you can also publish and share with other users, with your friends, or share with your teacher to display on a pull-down screen or a Promethean board or a smart board. And this can also spark discussions between classmates and different classes, and it provides a way to showcase student work, but also give the students a different look at content in a creative kind of way. Here's what the screen looks like after you sign up for a free account. it'll take you to this screen, which is kind of like your personal screen. And you can see right here you have the write option. You can also invite other students in to collaborate with you, um, or if they have existing work, you can have them share that with you, or if you create a story for a particular lesson that you're going to have, you can actually invite students to be able to pull it up on their devices and follow along. After you choose the right option, it will take you to the images screen, and this is just kind of an example of what it looks like. You can do a search for a particular theme, and then they also have artwork tags that you can choose from that will give you an idea of how the different art works. And if you have an idea of what your story is about and you have a certain direction you want to go, these tags are very helpful. You only have one image to choose from when you first choose your image theme, but all of the images will look like similar to the one that you chose. Once you choose your theme, here is what the first page will look like for you to work from. So you will have to drag and drop whatever picture you want to be your cover art. You'll type in your title, and then you can start writing a preface if you would like, or you have an option to go on to page 1. Page 1 will look just like this. You can drag and drop the image that you want for the picture or for that page, and then you can start writing the words that are going to be on that page. You do not have to do a storybook. You can also choose just a picture book to tell your story, or you can choose a poem. Thank you for your time, and I hope you use Storybird to enhance project-based learning.